Hello friends, greeting from Nifty Wizard. So today I will explain the trade which I took. Okay, so I traded Bank Nifty today and I will share you the analysis. So as you know, on Monday I made a profit of 1 lakh. Then I didn't trade it on Tuesday because it is wisely said that the most dangerous time to trade is after your big profits. That's why I skipped the trade of Tuesday and I took the trade today. So what was the analysis? Let me show you. As you know, I mark my zone area on 5-minute charts. So on Tuesday, market was consolidating somewhere here, okay, in this zone. So I simply went there and marked the zone. Okay, so this was some sort of supply zone, because on Tuesday market was facing resistance from this zone, coming back up, then falling down, going up, falling down, going up, then a breakdown. Okay, so before the market starts, my biasness was already for a short trade, but still I waited. And you know that I take my trade on 2-minute time frame. So moving that on 2-minute time frame, so what I saw that from yesterday market was making some flag pattern. I will show you. If you are following me, then you may be knowing what a flag pattern is, because the trade I took on Monday was based on a flag pattern. So we call this an inverted flag because it is forming some flag like structure. This is pole and this is flag. Okay, so let me mark the zones again. First I will clear the drawing. Rectangle, this is the supply zone which was formed on Tuesday. I will extend it so you could see this. And what I saw was this. First, the breakdown, of the supply zone here. Okay, so then a consolidation phase like this. Sorry, I told you there is a glitch in zerodha. So this was the pattern, some sort of pole and flag. This is the pole, this is the pole, and this is the flag. Okay, so once the market was consolidating, let me clear the drawing first, it is getting messy. So this was the flag. Okay, once the market break this zone at 9:39, I took my short trade. Okay, this was the trend line connecting the swing low. This was the trend line connecting the swing highs, and this was the zone. All right, this, although this was the whole, this whole area was acting as a supply zone. So market opened at 9:15, started falling. So as I told you, my biasness was bearish, but I didn't shorted the market here. I was waiting for confirmation. Market then respected this trend line and went back up. But what happened? Market also respected this zone area and started falling back. So did I short it here? No. I was waiting for a confirmation. So once the trend line was broken at 9:37, I took my trade at 9:39. Okay. So this was my entry. I will mark my entry with green line as always. So my entry was at 9:39. My stop loss was just above previous swing high, which I will mark in red. So this was the previous swing high. My stop loss was this. So if you measure the gap between my entry and my stop loss, that was 150 points. Okay. All right. Around 4,000 per lot. That's why I only took 5 lots for today, and my entry was at here. Okay. Then what I did, I was looking for some area where I shall book the target. So this point was okay. This could be my target for 1:1, but as I told you, this was the previous day low. So uh, actually I should have booked my profit here, but that was just 1:1, and I tell you that always focus on risk reward ratio. So I never take profit below 1:2. Since my stop loss is 150 points, so my ideal target should be 300 points. Okay. And after this huge consolidation phase, I was quite sure that market will give a big target today. So from this point I was waiting. I was sitting in front of the screen just to see that whether the market is going to break this or not. And once the market break this, I just trailed my stop loss from this area, from the previous swing high to this my entry point. So in the worst case scenario, if market just turns around, still I will be in no loss no profit. Okay, that is called break-even point. Then I booked my target. I will mark my exit in blue. I booked somewhere here at 10:39. So if you will see, within 1 hour my entry was at 9:39 and my entry was at 10:39. So this was around 400 points. Okay, this is 10:39 candle. This one, this red candle is 10:39, and just at the low I just booked my position target profit. That was 400 points. Just a minute. Alright guys, I had a position in commodity, so I just went to close that. So I was telling you this, that I booked my profit here at 400 points. Okay. One thing else, I booked one lot here where market was touching the swing low of the previous day low. So I just exited one lot and I was remained with 4 lots. So my total profit was somewhere close to 40,000. I will attach the screenshot. So again, my profits are my profit, my losses are my losses, but you have to take away the learning. So learning for today was that always have a plan before you enter a trade. Okay, so this was my plan. That was first learning. Second learning, whenever you make some big profits or big losses, just stay away from the trading for upcoming days, for next 1 or 2 or 3 days. So my usual profits were around 40-50,000, and on Monday I made 1 lakh profit. So ideally I should wait for 1 day, because I took profits of two days, like 50,000 for 2 days adds up to 1 lakh. That's why I didn't trade it on Tuesday. I skipped the Tuesday trading, and then I went in the market today. Because you know what, on the psychological level, when you make some profit, big profit, your whole concentration and whole focus just goes on the profit and money. You start believing yourself more than you should, because everyone has right in the market to be wrong, okay? But what you start think that you are the god of the market, now you can make money daily. That's the wrong approach. Everyone makes losses, okay? I too make losses, but that's not under my control. What is in your control? You can just control the size of your loss. And what else you can control? You can control size of your profit, okay? Either you can become more, like, if you're more fearful, you have some such a small stop loss, then what will happen? Market will just eat all the stop losses, okay? And if you're too greedy, like market is giving you 1:2, 1:3 reward, risk reward, still you're waiting, no, I can make more money. That's not the good approach. Always think in percentage, always focus on risk reward, okay friends? Well, that's all for today. I will attach my screenshot just to inspire you, like, yes, one can make money. So usually I get comments on my post that, sir, what should I need for trading? Like, when we call traders, a fancy setup comes in our mind, like 4 5 screens. So you see, I just trade on my mobile phone. I am at hometown, although I trade on laptop also, but from several days I am only trading on my phone. We don't need some fancy setup. All you need is skill, all you need is knowledge. Focus on that, okay? Don't run after the setups and all those things. So if you like my effort, follow my channel, because I post daily updates on stock market. Thank you. See you in another video.